Baby Bus!
Mini episode on safety. Woof!
Oh, I've seen so many mosquitoes tonight. This bug spray doesn't seem to be working. Little Lammy, could you get me the electric fly swatter?
No, it's dangerous! Yesterday, Mr. Black Bear used bug spray and an electric fly swatter at the same time. He ended up setting his tent on fire. Sheriff Labrador said not to use both of them at the same time.
Huh? Is it really that big of a deal?
What Lil Lammy said is true. Time to learn safety with Sheriff Labrador. An electric fly swatter cannot be used in conjunction with pesticide, bug spray, or disinfectant. Make sure there are no flammables or explosives near you before turning on your electric fly swatter. Otherwise, it can create electrical sparks and cause accidents. Bugs and insects are most active in the summer. Be careful when you use products to repel them. Whoop! Hello, everyone. The May birthday celebrations are still going strong. As promised, we are back with part 2 of our shoutouts. We've loved reading your sweet letters this month. Thank you for bringing so much warmth to our community. And now, let's give it up for the rest of our May birthday stars. Dylan Andre and Mama. Milo Solis Tiller. You worked in the neighborhood as a police officer and a lifeguard? Proud of you. Harvey and Trevor. Devin. Janelle. Madison Romberg. Ray Kitty Kearns. Aoife Lee. Happy birthday from Ma'am, Dad, and Mia the No-No Girl. Haley's dad. Aurelia Che. Eli Ross. Love from Sheriff Nene and Papa. C. Kai. Ping. Erica Maeve. Davis William. Jackie Law. Avery's mom Felicia. Maverick. Karen. Sophie. Ava. Hannah. Alyssa Rose mom Billy. Alexis and Raylene. Levi. Zion Gorgor and Bethany Mew Mew. Gio's dad's birthday and his granny. Melody Ang. Caius Kong. Joan, but not reporter Joan. Sheriff Jacob and Nyla Jean's mom. Nicole. Darius Pang. Aria. Happy birthday from your best friend Tessa. Tanwen Ann. Nicole A. And that wraps up our May birthday list. A huge happy birthday to all of our May stars. Thank you for being such a bright, vital part of our big family. Hello, hello! June is here, and we are ready to kick off the ultimate birthday party. As we head into the bright sunny days of summer, I can't wait to gear up and celebrate our incredible June birthday stars. Don't forget, if you want to hear your name, you'll need to fill out our birthday form to be included in our special shout-out episodes. Fill out the form now, and let's make your June birthday absolutely unforgettable. We can't wait to celebrate you.